Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. If you've been battling with stubborn clay soil in your garden, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to let you in on a little secret that could revolutionize your gardening game. We're talking about mushroom compost. You might be wondering, mushroom compost? What makes it so special? Well, let me tell you, this stuff is like magic for your soil. Mushroom compost is a nutrient-rich blend that's left over after mushrooms are harvested. It's packed with organic matter that's perfect for enriching clay soil. Now, why is clay soil such a challenge? Clay soil is dense, which means it holds onto water but also compacts easily. This can suffocate roots and make it tough for plants to grow. But that's where mushroom compost comes in. It breaks up that heavy clay, improves drainage, and creates a healthy environment for roots to thrive. Picture this, you're transforming that sticky, compacted soil into a fluffy, nutrient-rich wonderland for your plants. With mushroom compost, you're not just adding nutrients, you're also improving the soil structure. That means better water retention during dry spells and less waterlogging when it rains. And guess what? Using mushroom compost is super simple. Just spread a layer over your garden beds, mix it into the top few inches of soil, and you're good to go. It's an easy, natural way to boost your garden's health without the need for chemical fertilizers. So, what can you expect after adding mushroom compost to your clay soil? How about vibrant, lush plants with strong roots? Vegetables that are more productive and flowers that bloom like never before. You'll notice healthier growth and an overall boost in your garden's vitality. But wait, there's more. Mushroom compost is also environmentally friendly. It's a byproduct of mushroom farming, so you're recycling and reducing waste while benefiting your garden. It's a win-win. Now, you might be asking, where can I get this amazing mushroom compost? You can find it at your local garden center or even order it online. It's readily available and affordable, making it accessible for every gardener. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to the struggles of clay soil and hello to a flourishing garden, give mushroom compost a try. Your plants will thank you, and you'll love spending more time in a garden that's thriving. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your garden growing strong. See you next time.